have this super moldy Holmes Box Fan, and it's time for it to get smashed. It's too disgusting and moldy. Oh yeah, and of course it falls down right when I turn it on. Come on, sit up, piece of garbage fan. Oh, hits right in the garbage. Well, I guess I have to zoom out the camera. Come on, Holmes. Come on, everyone wants to watch you stand up while I smash and beat you up. Well, I guess this is gonna have to do, since it refuses to stand. Well, that's it. It dies. Word. Oh, the thing's coming off. What if I hit the back? Air, take a break. Oh yeah, of course, it has to die. Come on, turn on. Piece of garbage. I don't have to unplug it because it has to die, right at the best part. There, now it wants to stand up. There, after getting beat up, and now it wants to stand. Rip the cord off. Oh, there. That was easy. Let's just say, oh shoot, it's so heavy, I dropped it. Still nothing. Of course, every time I try to destroy fans, they always don't even want to work. Or make the coolest destruction fan video. I guess that's only for Smash Things 1, where it actually gets cool. Only for him, because apparently he's been smashing stuff more than me. on. Get out of there. Well, at least the back is sort of intact. I guess that's the good news, but not anymore. There, sit up. I'm sure the metal piece is indestructible, except for the plastic pieces. Come on, this video is getting too long. I'm sure no one's even watching this by now. Crush it with my feet. There, can I take this thing off now? And never mind, it's too moldy. Missed again. Well, dang, this thing's hot. This is the motor.